Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video, I'll talk about one company that is GlaxoSmithKline Limited, popularly known as GSK. I added this company today to my portfolio. Few of the shares was already there, and today I added some. The reason is very simple. The company is going to pay a very huge amount of dividend, and that is 90 rupees per share. And if you'll see, the X date is 7th July. X date is 7th July 2022. So if you are planning to add this company, talk to your financial advisor or make some research or fundamental analysis on this company. And if you find it's good, you can invest in this company. And then it's going to pay 90 rupees per share dividend. With the current market price of this company is for today price is 1497, and around 1500 it's trading around. So 90 rupees is also, you can say, 6% you are getting dividend. So it's good, and it's a very old, one of the very oldest pharmaceutical company in India. Very old company. And if you see the market capitalization, it's 25,376 crore of approx, and it's trading around nearly at its 52 weeks low. Most of the company now, they are trading at their 52 weeks low. So it's a great time if you're planning to invest. The 52-week high, the company was around 1918 rupees. Now let us go to the financial income statement of this company. So if we look at the income statement, it's not, you can say, it has not increased a lot. Its sales or revenue is almost constant year on year. If you'll see, around 800 crore in June 2021 at 7,700, then 1,000 crore. So 800 to 900 crore, if you'll see, on an average the company sales is lying at. It's not increasing rapidly, you can say. Net profit is also fluctuating to 100 crore, sometimes 150 crore, like that. The profit is also fluctuating. The promoter holding is excellent. That is a good sign. 75% approx the promoters are holding. FII also holding approx 12%, and retail investor 12%. So retail investor less, it's good. Any company, when you are making fundamental analysis, if retail investors are less, then it's good for any company, because retail investor never run a company. The promoters, FII or DI, if they are on the board, then they run the business. So GlaxoSmithKline, let us know about the company. Pharmaceutical Limited, GSK India, is one of the oldest pharmaceutical company. The GSK India product portfolio includes prescription medicines and vaccines. The prescription medicine range across therapeutic areas such as anti-infectives, dermatology, gynecology, diabetes, oncology. So so many types of department or diseases the company makes their medicines, involved with making these medicines. And it's a very old company, as I repeat, as I have told in the beginning. So if you look at the dividend history, that's also a important thing, because suppose it's paying 90 rupees per share dividend, but suppose, let's say, the first time it paid the dividend, and after 5 years it paid the dividend, then also it a constant, right? If a company that means the performance is not steady or continuous, you can say. If you look at the history, and if the history is that it's paying the dividend in a regular interval, let's say yearly once or twice, then we can say the performance, the company, the business, the sales, the profit, it's steady, it's continuous, right? So in 2021 also the company paid dividend 30 rupees. 2020, the corona time, also it paid two times in July. Okay, special and final in the same 17th July, paid 40 rupees in 2020. So you can think of that it's a regular dividend paying company, has a good dividend paying history. 2019 also the company paid a amount 20 rupees per share. 2018 it paid 35 rupees per share. 17 it paid 30 rupees per share. So you can see the track record of the company. Why I emphasize on this dividend? Because it's very important. For a long-term investor, we get some money from the company, right? Company definitely, if it is making a 100 crore profit, it should reutilize for its development to acquire other company or to expand the business. Let's say 80 crore it's doing, it's expanding. Now the rest of the 20 crore, definitely the company, I feel as a shareholder, I should get my dividend in the form of dividend. That profit should be distributed among the shareholders, so that what I feel, if I am going to invest in a company for a long term, in the yearly at least some money I should get from the company in the form of dividend, so that I'll be motivated, I'll keep it for longer time. So I feel in that way, right? Because I feel dividend income is a passive income. Like if you are keeping the money in PFC like company, Power Finance, so it's paying 11%. The dividend is yield is 11%. So if you buy some of the share, 11% is a good amount, right? We are getting some good amount, more than the bank or double than the bank. And we are doing nothing basically. This is a very good passive income if you say dividend. Now also, if we are getting a short term gain, then definitely we can make some selling and we can book the profit. That also some strategy. But I believe that if we are busy, we do not have enough time to analyze the stocks in daily wise, then we should refrain from the trading basically. It's better to depend upon dividend and to rely upon some good stocks which gives us a continuous or steady growth, like TCS, Reliance, and other company, Titan, right? Even though their dividend yield is less, but they have given the investor continuous return, let's say past 10 years or 20 years, like Asian Paint, right? So so these are the thing that I wanted to share today. And some other company also you can keep in your observation, like JSW Steel is going to pay dividend. And also one thing I have told many times, that if a corporate action is there and coming up, then there is some you can say the stock may go up, may go down. Most of the cases stock go up. So if you are a short-term investor, or if, this trick I also apply sometime, because for short-term investor it's great, right? Suppose just before 10-15 days of dividend or bonus or split, we will buy the stock, and you will see that within the 10-15 days, definitely someday before the exit, the price rapidly goes up. And suppose 7% or 10% we are getting profit, or 15% we are getting profit, I definitely I generally think of selling that share, because I'll book the profit, immediate profit within a few days. Suppose I am booking 10-15% of profit, it's great, right? So that's what I believe. And if it is not doing that performance, I'll keep it just because I'm getting good amount of dividend also. That's what I chose mostly. Most of the my portfolio is dividend paying stocks, and the rest of are very stable large cap stocks. Very few percent, let's say 5% to 2% is of small cap stocks, which have the capability to multiply your money fast. So with this note, let us stop today, and you can look at the BSE website and find out the upcoming dividends, like as I told, JSW Steel, Reddington, your Birla Soft is coming, Gensar Technology, Nucleus, Emphasis. So these are the softwares. L&T, Larsen Turbo is also going to pay. L&T Infotech, not I'm talking about Larsen Turbo, L&T, right? That also going to pay dividend. So many companies are coming up, many companies. Axis Bank, ICICI Bank has also declared 5 rupees per share the dividend. So you can have a look all these stocks. If you find there any of the company are useful, or you know better about any of the company, you can have it and add to your portfolio. I am also looking in that way. So let's see how the market is behaving tomorrow, and definitely if I find such opportunity of good dividend paying company, I'll share with you, and I'll also buy tomorrow. See you then. See you till then, till the next video. See you. Bye bye. Good night.